So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Shuttle Art dry erase markers, okay? These are magnetic whiteboard markers, right? And they've got a fine point, right? So showing these to you guys because thoroughly impressed. I actually got these to use for my magnetic calendar, and I wanted not only to have a variety of colors, but I also want to make sure they were magnetic so I could actually keep the pens on my magnetic calendar, and these did not disappoint. So this is just how it came to me when it came, right? And I was messing with them and took a couple of them out so I could look at them. But guys, these are amazing. First of all, the variety of colors that are in this pack are amazing. Typically, you're going to get your standard red, your green, your blue. You might get a yellow in a standard dry erase marker pack. But in this particular case, I've got some really fun colors that I can choose from. I've got 2 variations of pink. I've got several variations of green. I've got a couple of browns. So I can really have some fun, a couple variations of blue. So I can really have some fun really just decorating and adding to my magnetic calendar. Of course, you can use dry erase markers for a lot of other things as well. I use these when I'm teaching my kids at home. I will, laminate their worksheets and have them use the dry erase markers with that. So that's a really fun way to use the dry erase markers too, because you can just wipe them clean and reuse that same worksheet that's laminated. So that's been great as well. And so I wanted to get some more of these just because, and then of course I wanted the color variation. So I'm going to show you guys the tip so you guys can see. This is what the tip of this looks like, right? Boom, so it's not upside down, okay? And guys, I'm super excited about this, like super, super excited. Let me go ahead and write with one of these so that you guys can see the actual, I just took a piece of paper from the kids here, just so you can see how it writes. Perfect, right? So nice fine point. I didn't want something too thick because I want to be able to get inside those small boxes on my calendar. So the really cool thing is the magnetic strip is right here. So you just stick them on your magnetic calendar with no problem. I just attempted to do it and it was great. And a lot of times when I use dry erase markers that have these magnets on them, I have a tendency to have these magnets, for whatever reason, they fall out. These look a lot more secure than the ones I've gotten previous. And then there's, of course, a eraser on the top of each of these, which makes that even more convenient. So after you get done writing, you literally can just erase it if you wish to do so. So this is amazing. Super excited about the color variations and the options that I have available. And I thought I would share this with you guys. So I hope this helps in making your decision.